Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goal on this Smart Band. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on the Smart Band, your band needs to be paired with the phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our Smart Band. Actually, let me reopen it. And once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now, tap on this banner right here at the top on the stats banner. Then tap on the more options icon. Select the stats. And here we have calories, steps, and moving. And we can change the goals for them by tapping on one and adjust the goal. Same for the steps, and then moving. And once you're done, you can go back and the stats should be, or rather the goals should be applied. And if you wake up the screen on your Smart Band, open the stats app, you will see that the goals also applied. And that's how you change the step goals on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.